you're selling software or digital products online, you've probably seen Lemon Squeezy and Polar. Both act as a merchant of record, meaning they handle payments, global taxes, and compliance for you. But which one is actually better? Let's break it down. So Lemon Squeezy became popular with indie developers because it's easy to set up and beginner friendly. It includes features like hosted checkout pages, digital product delivery, subscriptions, and built-in affiliate tools. Some of its pros: very simple onboarding and UI, built-in storefronts and marketing tools, and good for indie creators and digital products. However, it has higher base fees, about 5% plus 50 cents per transaction, and fewer developer level customization options than newer platforms. It's best for creators who want quick setup and minimal coding. Polar is a newer payment platform built specifically for developers and SaaS companies. It's open source, API first, and designed to integrate directly into apps. Some of its pros: lower fees of around 4% plus 40 cents per transaction, about 20% cheaper than Lemon Squeezy, strong APIs, SDKs, and webhooks for custom integrations, and handles global taxes and compliance as a merchant of record. However, it has a smaller ecosystem and fewer built-in marketing tools. It's better suited for developers than non-technical users. So which one is better? Choose Lemon Squeezy if you want simplicity and built-in tools to start selling digital products quickly, and choose Polar if you're a developer or SaaS founder who wants lower fees, strong APIs, and more control over building infrastructure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.